join. And then as it runs towards the sea, it will make a difference.
Habalabun kita kiun kibajar, benta ala ban pulang ya kawa. Hapo kita kawa ibun kiun kibalajar, yang pun kata ka udrat kung ang difference. Kamu kiun kibalajar ibun pwede nagtagadaw kana kanong kawa.
Received the Nobel Prize.
Kadang kawai kapor ba i Mother Teresa i rayo piyang ya kakusnam jong kajinsu.
And then the whole international press, the journalists wanted to have an interview with her.
Kihadin kani buwan kini gibril kiba lum jingkit kabayaday ba di social media nani kumpa buwan kiba wa ban shim jingkali banyakan ba di Mother Teresa.
Many of them congratulated her. They said it is you have done wonderful work, and it is very. All are happy that she has received for the wonderful work that she is doing, the biggest prize in the world.
Buwan kibawa yaro ya ka Mother Teresa ya ka jingle kam bakraw jungka.
One journalist from among them asked her,
Ibe journalist na perang kita baro ila kini ya ka.
"You are so old, so weak. What are you trying to do by trying to change the world?"
Haba pila tenan ha. Handray balay pila do kani pila anak kabenta ka parte.
She said, "I'm old, I'm weak, and sickly.
Hood ngala tenan ngatelot bat ngadam kajing telot net bat kajing bom kot ha.
And I don't imagine that I can change the world.
Bat ngapoy perkat bangan la ban pengelay ka parte.
But what I am trying to do is just try to be one drop of clear water in the ocean of the world."
Handray kay bangakwa banle kadi tangsi jam ko bakput na perang kadulya ka baju.
And that one drop can make a difference in the world wherever it is.
Handray kata ko kabasi jaw kamle kay kam kabapla ha perang kita.
If you join with me, then we can become two drops.
Balada pi dan tantalang banga kamot ngin salong ar jaw kiun.
Are you married? He said yes. Then, how many children do you have? He said that he has got 4 children. Oh, she said, your wife and 4 children, you make 6 drops.
Tiyong hatol pila na siyempre, tita iyong hoot. Tita naman ikon jong pipidan, tita ibre ilo ang sawot. May mapi bagi ikon jong pisawot, bagi ilong jong pi hendreo. Pagkamot ba hendreo jaw, kita kiun pinalaban na na kabanta kapatid.
And now among you, how many would like to join me? All the journalists, they put up their hand. Look, how many of them are here? More than 100 people are here.
Ni habakun ta i Mother Teresa ila kali bana perang jong pi kat no thai di kwa ban wan benta ban ban ngin le ka kampla ka batang ka tukan ni.
So if we put together so many drops of water, you will see a small stream start to flow.
Ni kujuro harani layas no pilang kunda ki Mother Teresa bat kita ki journalist bagi rakti banyak no ti da Mother Teresa kujuro kajing jaun kadadantang iwe alai kila banle kan salongga habala yabun.
If as the small stream starts, more and more drops of water will join, and then as it runs towards the sea, it will make a difference.
Habalabun kita kiun kibajar, benta ala ban pulang ya kawa. Hapo kita kawa ibun kiun kibalajar, yang pun kata ka udrat kung ang difference. Kamu kiun kibalajar ibun pwede nagtagadaw kana kanong kawa.
Don't think that you are alone. I am only one woman. I am only one family. Or we are only a small village. When we join together, when we work together, it will make a difference. And the world around us will change, our village will change, our parish will change, and the next parish will change. You will be able to be instruments of change around you. And I wish you mothers, just like the determination of Mother Teresa, that energy to be concerned for others and then work in spite of the discouragement you will face. You will not fail, you will succeed, you will bring change. Thank you.
Tiwat ang mga maway ng laali Hingray mga nanimati kilong kami marway. Rangkat batato kami kilong kami. Nila banyas no akti. Tutunta habayas no akti lang. Nila bantun kalabon. Kiay hakayam lang kasalang juni. Hati paris juni. Kunta bakadaya dan lang. Nakajinas no akti lang. Nila banyas ikam tibatang.